It's road trip time. God, I'm excited for this. Ain't afraid to stay. What you see?
What's there?
Squirrels?
Wow.
Espresso? Yeah.
Wow.
Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, I forgot that doesn't work. Good morning. We are going on a serious adventure today. And I'm very excited about this because it is our first maiden voyage in the van. We're going on our first road trip and we're meeting up with some friends at Algonquin Park, which is like a renowned park in Ontario. Super cool out there, lots of wildlife. Right in the smack dab of fall. We're gonna do some hiking, camping, cooking. We're doing it all today. So I'm a little late. We need to get packed up. We need to get the supplies. Wonderful, thank you so much.
Have a good day.
You as well.
Thank you.
We need to hit the road. 282 kilometers, 3-hour and 10-minute drive. Let's boogie. Driving shoes. It is a beautiful day. Perfect. Let's roll. I'm sweating. Oh, so far so good. Nothing's overheated. Oh, 43 bucks. We're full. All right. Road sandwiches, and it's noon. All I've had today is cookies, so a couple spicy chicken sandwiches. Full on gas, let's keep going. Yeah. It's really hot inside of this van. Not making it up this hill. Well, we made it to the campground. My butt cheeks are barking right now. Oh my God. Okay, awesome. Shut her down for a quick sec. What's he yelling at?
I think it might be best if you take this spot.
The log?
Yeah.
Okay. Woo! Look at this. All right. Yeah, that'll be later.
Ew.
To Florida, and then take it all the way back.
Well, it's so cool, but it is the community too. Like even you said that.
Yep.
So yeah, they're
That's sweet, dude. It's perfect. Check that out. Algonquin Park, man. This is sweet. I'm already getting pine needles in the van. Hey, Rosie. This thing's beautiful, man.
I love it.
What year is this?
21.
21, eh?
Yeah.
All digital dash. That's awesome.
Nice. Fun for the full year.
Good.
We're
just gonna go.
Ready for a hike?
So that's the exit. We'll go this way.
She's like, oh, I'm going for a swim.
Yeah, there you go.
She's
Lays
like
down.
fully in there.
Working right now. I'm sweating.
Oh yeah. Come here. Where are you going?
Oh, it's sick. Almost ready to go for a swim myself.
I know, eh?
Oh, nice.
Stay here.
Oh, she's got a treat. It's actually like a challenge.
What'd you say?
I'm just slow down and take a breather.
Yep. She's sweating a bit.
There's a nice little spot.
Holy crap. Killing it, Rosie.
Woo! Oh, wow.
Oh yeah, wow.
Ooh, it's a little scary.
Oh yeah.
Holy cow.
I'm gonna bunker down.
This is beautiful.
Oh yeah.
Look at the colors, man. Wow.
Oh, good. So nice. Oh, it's so pretty. And look-
Honestly.
Yeah, I should have brought some of those oatmeal cookies.
Oh my god.
That would have been nice.
Okay, Rosie.
A little shaky near the edge here. That's
Hi,
a-
get out of here. You're so
It's a thick drop.
Oh, it's like Skittles.
What do you think,
Some
eh?
colors.
Nice. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I get this all.
Yeah, oh, yeah. Nice little rosy bath. Oh.
That's nice.
Well, thanks, guys. This is great. Thanks
yeah.
So it does
inviting me
almost
out
feel
here.
real that you're
Yeah.
You know, like it's
I know, this whole interaction doesn't even feel like...
like so long.
Yeah, yeah.
Now I gotta run on, keep on running till the sun goes down. Run out loud, better run on, run all day till you can't be found. Run out loud, gotta run on, keep on running till the sun goes down. You can
Let's brush my hair. Look at that glow. You should take a video of it.
Not bad looking right now.
I don't even think we finished this in the wine yet.
Every couple of stairs, they kind of flex on you a little bit, eh? Sketches me out. He's got clean, Rosie. Oh!
Wow, come on. Feels like we're getting close.
Yeah, we're almost there.
Sick.
5 minutes.
Perfect.
There's an empty lot.
Yeah.
Wow. No way.
Oh yeah.
The only ones. All right. Oh, we just got back to camp. I'm starving. Time to cook up a nice little meal. We've got date night rigatoni on the menu tonight. Which is gonna be fantastic because I need some carbs and some protein after that hike. I'm pooped. Lovely, lovely views. Just really good company and fun times overall. So now we're gonna get a fire going and get the food cooking up and change my dirty socks because I'm feeling a little gross right now. Pretty sweaty. Oh. Nice. Lid and prep work.
Are you? Yeah.
Because we're gonna go.
And that's where the ridge is.
Yeah.
Wow.
Didn't think about a camera.
I got one.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes. All right. Okay.
Let me know if there's anything we can do
Yeah.
to help too.
Oh, we're good.
This is really nice.
Yeah, this is awesome.
No, I got you guys. You just kick back on it, and
Exactly.
somebody saying like, if the shot sucks, you know, they'll tell you before you have to take the picture, move the tripod. Yes, sir. It's kind of like an awkward cutting position.
This is our old foot.
That's funny though. Like you guys have come so far since then.
Oh my god.
And it's funny looking
crazy.
back on your old content and being like, oh wow. My foot.
And if you don't come on the
Oh man, this is gonna be tasty.
we'll have some big hikes to show you. There's some.
No shot. That's coming out. Oh man. This is so cute. I gotta put the kale in. Yeah. I feel like that'll probably just cook down quite a bit.
I know, puppy.
Good enough. Check it out. Marie?
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
So good.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Yake.
What a meal.
There's lots left, so eat as much as you possibly can. Best camp meal yet.
Thank you so much.
Oh yeah. That could potentially top the pho. Good stuff.
That is so good.
Unreal.
Thank you.
Of course. Well, that was an incredible day. I enjoyed myself a lot going and hiking, because I don't really hike much, and I really enjoyed just getting some nice fresh air and just kind of disconnecting. Got to catch up with my friends, which was just great to just chat with them for a while, ask some questions about things. I'm just real tired right now. That hike took it all out of me. It was like 8K. But Algonquin Park is beautiful. Very great experience. First time being here. Perfect weather. That's it for me. I'll see you guys at sunrise. Good night. Oh, I'm cold. Parched. All right, well, good morning. Just said bye to the kids. That was great. That was a really fun trip. I really missed them. I was super happy to see them. They're going out on a morning hike because they're about that life. It's earlier than 6 in the morning right now, and that puts a wrap on Algonquin Park for us and for me, because I now have a 3-hour drive back to work. Got a bartending shift at 10 a.m. Yeah, for me it's back home. For them it's still hitting the trail. If you guys enjoyed this as much as I did, please smash that like and subscribe button, man, because this will help like bring more content like this, you know, because it's a bit of a pig on gas. So yeah, as always, love yourself, because I love you, and we're gonna cue the sunrise time lapse for you guys, so enjoy, and until next time. Small thing I just realized is my dash, when I turn the lights off, it doesn't light up. That should be interesting. Oh boy, I have no idea what speed I'm gonna be going, but we'll just feel it out and see how it goes. All right, see you later.